Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming software parity. Make sure iOS and Pubg are updated because latency fixes live in updates. Next, ensure your Airpods are charged above 50% and reconnect from settings. This clears transient audio routing. Once done, disable other Bluetooth devices and battery-saving modes. They can deprioritize audio processing. You do these steps now so the phone and headset share the same optimal audio pipeline before we change in-game and system settings. This prevents wasted troubleshooting later. Now you adjust both system and Pubg settings to reduce buffering. iPhone uses AAC for Airpods, so avoid codec changers that can force reconversion. In Pubg, go to Audio Settings and pick any low latency or stereo output option. This directs the game engine to prefer minimal buffering. Make sure you close background apps that use audio or CPU. When Pubg has foreground audio focus, packet scheduling, and sound thread priority improve. After this, test a short in-game clip to verify lower delay. Finish with advanced actions only if delay remains. Reset network settings to clear Bluetooth caches that cause 100-200 ms lags, but note this removes Wi-Fi passwords. To isolate hardware, test a wired Lightning adapter or another Bluetooth headset. If wired is fine, the issue is AirPod specific. As a final step, factory reset your AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds and repair. If problems continue, one key troubleshooting tip. Test voice chat muted versus unmuted. Sometimes mic routing adds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.